Halo teman-teman, kali ini saya unboxing paket sangkar burung dari Shopee.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it, go and get an x-ray. Change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I'm
Sangkarnya lanjut diperwajib.
better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life, you doing lots of cocaine. Wait no.
Dan ini hasil jadinya ya.
On Sundays, I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose, trying to do what you love. Because there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your
Itu besar. Kelihatan cepat. Oke. Wah.
not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. All I need are some better days. All I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day.
Itu satu kecil, yang ini besar. Ini kecil lagi. Sahabat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kan yang kecil. 6 pintu, terdapat 6 pintu. Oke, terima kasih. Sekarang proses membuat tin ikan ringan ya. Ini sudah jadi, kita belah. Ini sudah buat penampakannya. Proses pemindahan burung sudah. Satu, itu dah. Dua, tiga, sulit banget yang satu ini. Alhamdulillah sudah bisa. Sudah selesai. Tinggal kasih makan sama minum. Ya, sudah keluar semua burungnya, sudah masuk ke kandang yang besar.